Hey Akash, good morning. A very good morning. I'm really pleased to have you on my show, the the Karam show, and I'm sure that we are going to have a wonderful discussion. And I have read a lot about you and seen your contents and other things that the awesome things you are doing. So
Thank
you
you.
are the author of how to become the massive action taker, and so I just would like to know more about your journey. How did you start, and what are the challenges that you have faced? Something about yourself.
Thank you for inviting me, Karam. I have been following your content also, and your content has been wonderful. So when you invited me for this round of discussion interview, I was like very excited. So my journey, see, I always believe that whatever we do, it's because of two reasons: either to avoid pain or to gain pleasure. And whatever I did in my life was to avoid pain here.
Okay,
Uh,
okay,
I am a chartered accountant by
perfect.
education,
Hmm.
by qualification. I'm a chartered accountant, and what I'm doing right now, I had never thought in my life that I'll write a book or I'll coach people. I'll be making direct impact in people's lives. I never thought
Okay,
about it. My line was very clear that I am a chartered accountant. I will do accounting. I will do taxation. I will be working on other people's financial things, and that was it. But
okay,
in 2014, something happened in our life which completely changed the path of my life. Actually, we had invested a lot of money in real estate. My
okay.
mother had a dream that every mom, every lady of the house has a dream, right? To have a bigger
Right,
house,
right.
better
Yes,
house.
yes, 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 yes.
So my mom also had that dream that to have a bigger kitchen, bigger storage space, and my father had planned for it. So I am the only child born 9 years after marriage. So my childhood had been very comfortable, and we are a very close knit family. Like only child, we are only three people in the house. Now we are four, five because my wife is there,
Okay.
my daughter is there. But earlier
Yes.
we are only three people: mother, father, and me. Now my father had been in job from last 38 years, and he had planned for it that at the time of retirement we'll shift to a
Y-
better house. We'll shift to
Yes.
so
Yes.
I
Yes.
think 2014 was the time when they thought, yes, now we are ready. We should invest and we should get that house. We invested money into that, but unfortunately, God had some other plans. We also didn't do that much of due diligence. It was our fault also. But the builder who was supposed to give the flat filed for bankruptcy,
Okay. Okay.
and it was the entire saving that my father had, entire each and every penny. And
Okay.
on top of that, Karam, we had taken a loan of 18 lakh rupees also.
Okay.
I was
Okay.
earning 22,000 a month. My dad was about to retire. My mom is a housewife. We had loan. Each penny of our savings was lost. Now, I didn't care much about money. I was 24 at that time. I was not very smart. So I
Right.
thought,
Right.
ठीक है, पैसा है, it's okay. It's a stupid decision we made. We are paying the price. But my parents took it very strongly. They were like, yaar, every penny is gone. How will our retirement be now? What will happen? My mother uh, started getting insulin. Her sugar, her diabetes was rising to the next level, 450, 500. She started using insulin 4 5 times a day. Just imagine, right? Do you know insulin, the injection that you put inside your stomach? My father, he stopped talking altogether. Now, it was a very difficult time for us, for our family. That time I thought, yeah, this is not going to work. These people are my friends, they are my everything. Means they have taken care of me for the entire life, and now they are in this zone. I cannot let this happen. I
Right.
went to my father, I told him that, Papa. He was like, हाँ. I said, Papa, मुझे पता है हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है, आपको क्या फील हो रहा है. Literally, I spoke like this. पापा
Okay.
मैं कुछ करूंगा अपनी लाइफ के लिए, हम लोगों की
Okay.
लाइफ के लिए मैं कुछ करूंगा. He again became father. ठीक है, उन्होंने बोला, no बेटा, don't worry, don't get involved into this. I'll handle things. It's you stay out of it. मैंने बोला नहीं
Right.
पापा मैं कुछ करूंगा, मैं प्रॉमिस कर रहा हूँ. And I had tears running down my
Okay.
eyes.
Okay.
But Karan, let me tell you, that tears were not of sadness. That tears were not of fear. Those tears that day were of determination.
Okay.
I made a promise 5 years back to my father. Until this moment of my life, I have never looked back. I
Okay,
didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do, but I did whatever I could. I read the books whatever I could. I attended the seminars, the best in the world, not just India. India is a
Okay.
small. The best in the world I attended. I learned from the
Okay.
best in the world, and I programmed myself. I really sculpted myself to the level wherein whatever happens in the outer circumstance, but I will mold myself, I will mold the circumstances of myself to make sure that I am winning. And when I started doing that, I thought, why not write it in a book? Why not
Okay.
help other people with that? And that is
Okay.
where this whole journey of writing the book and helping other people started.
Okay, that is really awesome, and and you shared your story. That's really awesome, Akash. And going through such pains, yes, definitely something happens. We have to commit. We have to determine the things that you did. That these are really inspiring. These moments come into our lives, so that's really awesome. So and then how did you build your habits and routines after going through such you know this life and such situations? How did you build your habits? It becomes difficult, right, at that time, so many things going on. And how did you commit, and how the habits and routines did you build?
See, Karampal, I was in my job at that time, and I wanted to grow. I wanted to learn. Now,
Okay.
you cannot learn only from your parents. You cannot learn from your friends. You cannot learn from your colleagues. So I had to learn from someone,
Okay.
and I had to learn from someone who is doing it amazingly well, who are inspirational people for us. Right now, where do
Right.
we find such people? Either on the internet, or in seminars, or in books. Now, I had to
Right.
read a lot of books. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
But now the routine is already set of the office. Now the work from home is also there, a lot of things are there, flexibility is there, but at that time there was no work from home.
Yes.
I used to live in Delhi. I live in Delhi, and my office was in Gurgaon, Cyber Hub.
Okay.
Okay? So now traveling every day for like 70 kilometers to and fro,
Yes.
3 hours, and plus there is 10 hours of office work. So
Office work.
I had to steal time, because see, it's always a moment, Karam, when you decide to procrastinate or when you decide to act, when you make an excuse or when you do it. It's always that 1 second. Yes or no? Have you felt it?
Yes, definitely. One second that comes, and that changes everything. We either go in the procrastination or we do it.
Correct. So I tried to understand that earlier on it was very difficult, like any other person, because I have never done it. I won't say that from day number 1 I was like totally disciplined. No, but I was struggling very hard. But one thing was there, I was very observant that what is happening, what is exactly happening. I committed this thing to myself, but I'm not able to do it. Why? What happened in that moment? What happened? So I tried to observe myself. I try to observe what other people are doing, how great people are able to do things, but I am not able to do, how they are able to take imperfect action, whereas I am waiting for that perfection to happen. I am planning for that 6-pack abs. I am planning to become really great speaker. Then I'll only start. Right? Getting it? So
yes.
Now, I built the habits because I did not have time. So in the morning, I had to wake up early. I did not have a choice. See, I had made a promise to my father.
Yes.
He was about to retire. My salary was very low. Okay, we were going through bad phase. So either I could have just cried and reacted to the situation and blamed the world, blamed corrupt people, blamed the entrepreneurs, and become really sharp person. Like सब बुरे हैं इस दुनिया में, सब हम गरीब हैं, हम मिडिल क्लास हैं, तो हमें सब दबा के रखते हैं. या तो मैं उस डायरेक्शन में जा सकता था. दूसरा, मैंने सोचा यार नहीं, उस डायरेक्शन में नहीं जाना. रोक के क्या मिलेगा रोक के. स्ट्रॉन्ग बनने का मौका है. तो मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता था. आई यूज्ड टू रीड बुक्स बिकॉज और कोई टाइम ही नहीं था ना.
राइट.
जाते जाते मैं कुछ ना कुछ, जो मैंने ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम्स ले रखे थे, मैं ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम सुनता था. ठीक है, टोनी रॉबिन्स के प्रोग्राम्स और प्रोग्राम्स, वो प्रोग्राम सुनते हुए जाता था. ऑडियो बुक सुनता था, पॉडकास्ट सुनता रहता था पूरे दिन जब मेरा ट्रैवल टाइम होता था. मैं कभी गाने नहीं सुनता था, कभी फोन पे बात नहीं करता था, कभी व्हाट्सएप पे नहीं करता था. सो आई स्ट्रक्चर्ड माई लाइफ इन सच अ वे दैट आई हैड टू स्टील टाइम. और वहां से मेरे को टाइम की वैल्यू पता चली, क्योंकि मेरे पास टाइम बहुत कम था.
Yes, yes. In the job, we do have very small time. Yes.
और लोग सोचते हैं कि जॉब छोड़ के वो बिजनेस बिल्ड करेंगे. मैंने हमेशा ये देखा है कि अगर आप 2 घंटे 4 घंटे के साथ अगर बिजनेस नहीं बिल्ड कर पा रहे, कर्म, ठीक है, आजकल बहुत लोग हैं वो कोच बनना चाहते हैं या कुछ और बनना चाहते हैं, वो जॉब छोड़ देते हैं, वो बोलते हैं अब हम करेंगे. आपको पता है, इफ दे वर प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग फॉर 10 hours in a day, now they procrastinate for 20 hours in a day.
Okay.
अगर जॉब में उनको 7 साढ़े 7 उठना पड़ता था, अब वो 9 बजे उठ रहे हैं. उनको लगता है अभी तो बहुत टाइम है, अभी तो बहुत टाइम है. सुबह कहते हैं शाम को करेंगे, शाम को कहते हैं यार अब तो निकल गया, रात को करेंगे, रात को कहते हैं अरे अब तो चलो थक गए, अब फ्रेश दिमाग चाहिए तो सुबह करेंगे. दिस इज हाउ एवरी डे इज पासिंग. सो हेंस इफ यू कैन नॉट डू इट अलोंग विद योर जॉब, then chances are very slim that you will be able to do after you quit your job.
Okay. At that time where we quit or we have a lot of time, we ऐसा लगता है कि हम कर लेंगे. But वो that time passes away. That's
very quickly, more quickly than you realize.
Yes, definitely. Then how did you plan to quit your job? So what was the planning you did and how it went?
See, मेरा बिजनेस जो है वो along with मेरा जॉब बिल्ड हो गया था, ठीक है. आई वॉज इन टू रियल एस्टेट. मैंने रियल एस्टेट में अपने दोस्तों के साथ, एक दोस्त था मेरा जिसने he took wrote a lot of properties. Now I did not know anything about sales, but मैंने बुक्स पढ़ी थी और मैंने बोला मैं सेल करूंगा. He was like, तेरे को क्या पता सेल्स के बारे में, you are a chartered accountant. I said I have read couple of books, I know about sales. ठीक है. I was hungry. मेरे को he told me that this job is for 50 lakh rupees. If you sell it, you get 3% commission. Now that's 1.5 lakh rupees, Karam.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
For a person who is in job, getting that along with job was a big thing. I was selling 2-3 shops a month. ठीक है. So मेरा वो रियल एस्टेट का साथ में बिल्ड हो गया था. साथ में I had written my book. Along with my job, I had started my coaching program. So everything I started along. ठीक है. When I was making at least 4 times my salary, I quit my job.
Okay. That's
a mindset which no one has in the market right now.
Okay.
They say that at least match your salary. I was like 4 times there. Boss, can you beat that? Because see, my father was retired. My mother is a housewife. ठीक है. My wife was doing PhD. ठीक है. She was also not employed at that time. We were planning a family. यार मैं उन लोगों को कैसे टॉर्चर करूं यार? Tell me, कैसे टॉर्चर कर सकता हूँ? ठीक है. मेरे डैड ने इतना कंफर्ट दिया हमारे को अपनी लाइफ में. पैसा नहीं था ज्यादा, बट जितना दे सकते थे अपने नीड्स मार के इतना कंफर्ट दिया, और इस दिन के लिए दिया था दैट बच्चा बड़ा होके कुछ करेगा, और अब मैं अपने पैशन को फॉलो करने के लिए उनका गला काट दूं. नॉट पॉसिबल.
Okay. This is really awesome. This is really inspiring that you, despite all the odds, you did that you could do, and definitely. So then now how do you plan your day now? How the planning goes and how you do the things?
See, whatever I do, it's outcome based, Karam. So I make outcomes like goals. So agar if my goal for the year is this, then I break it down into months. ठीक है. एंड उसको ही मैं ब्रेक इट डाउन इनटू डेज करता हूँ. तो आई स्टार्ट माई डे अर्ली एंड आई फिनिश माई डे लेट. मेरा थोड़ा दिन लंबा जाता है, ठीक है, क्योंकि मेरा थोड़ा ट्रैवल भी रहता है. आई स्टिल डू माई रियल एस्टेट थिंग, आई स्टिल डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. तो मेरा थोड़ा ट्रैवल भी रहता है, तो मेरा दिन लंबा जाता है. बट येस, मेरी जितनी भी मीटिंग्स होती हैं दे आर प्रायर सेट. आई ट्राई कि मेरा मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इज बुक्ड. माई कैलेंडर इज बुक्ड. आई हैव गॉट more than 2000 paid mentees. ठीक है. So now I make sure that उनके साथ भी कुछ के साथ I'm having 1-to-1 calls. जो भी मेरे नए प्रोग्राम में आते हैं तो I give 1-to-1 calls to them also sometimes. So 3 to 5 I give 1-to-1 calls. उससे पहले I try कि मेरी अगर कोई mentorship चल रही है, कुछ है, या मेरी कोई meetings हैं, I do that. In the evening, I try कि I spend some time with my family, then again get on to my calls. There are weekly meetups that I do with my community. So it's a jam-packed day the entire day, and that's what I like. क्या होता है कि अभी मेरे पास अगर 10 बज गया, मेरे पास कुछ काम ही नहीं है, मेरे को सोचना पड़ रहा है 2 घंटे क्या करूं यार, 10 से 12. टाइम वेस्ट हो जाता है यार, सीरियसली. I want कि like after this interview I have another meeting, I'll jump onto it without wasting a minute. ठीक है, तो I like my calendar to be jam packed so that I am jumping one after another to different things, and my calendar is according to the outcome that I want. तो अगर मैं कैलेंडर फॉलो करता हूँ तो मेरा वीकली आउटकम मीट होता है, वीकली आउटकम मीट होते जाते हैं तो मंथली आउटकम मीट होता है, और उससे मेरा एनुअल आउटकम मीट हो जाता है. एंड अनदर थिंग, पीपल really in today's time abuse their jobs. ठीक है, कि नौकरी करोगे, नौकर बनोगे, किसी की सैलरी पे जियोगे. I have seen that. ठीक है,
yes.
ये चीज जो मैंने सीखी, this thing that I have learned, हाँ, this is in corporate only. How CEOs work now. Those CEOs are earning bloody 25 crore rupees. हाँ, the CEOs are managing 5,000 crore business. They are serious entrepreneurs, जिनका प्रोडक्ट हम अपने घर में लाते हैं, जहाँ पर बच्चों की जॉब ही लग जाए IIM के बाद, तो we can dream कि वहाँ जॉब लग जाए. इतने बड़ी कंपनी. Now they were managing their time. मैंने देखा कैसे they used to jump from one meeting to another, keep on jumping, and the secretaries that the people used to manage their calendar for every second. मतलब even when they're having lunch, Karam, they used to have a working lunch with someone. कि आज लंच में अपने डायरेक्टर के साथ बैठ गए, आज लंच में कोई और मीटिंग थी वेंडर के साथ, बड़े वेंडर के साथ बैठ गए, किसी और के साथ मीटिंग थी. आई ऑब्जर्व्ड दिस एंड आई वाज लाइक वंडरफुल यार, ये बेस्ट है, ये करूंगा. एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई फॉलो टुडे.
ओके, दैट्स रियली ऑसम. एंड जब इतना शेड्यूल इतना बिजी हो जाता है, तब उस टाइम पे आप अपने आप को कैसे मोटिवेट करते हो, या फिर ये जस्ट मतलब कि this comes from inside, because your time is so jam packed from morning to evening, and then you must have some plans about travel, or you must have some plans how that goes.
So the point here is ki see, motivation is overrated.
Because if you are doing so many things for so many people, it's just thinking about that, become scary. अरे यार ये कितना करता है, अरे यार इसकी लाइफ कैसी मिजरेबल होगी, राइट? ये कभी घूमने भी नहीं जाता, कभी दोस्तों से भी बात.
मैं बहुत घूमने जाता हूँ, बहुत दोस्तों से बात करता हूँ. पॉइंट ऐसा नहीं है मैकेनिकल लाइफ है. पॉइंट क्या है करम, सी एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि हमें लगता है कि मोटिवेटेड होना होता है. अब जैसे आपने बोला, यू ब्रॉट अ रियली गुड पॉइंट कि कितना स्केरी लगता है सोचने में. ठीक है, सोचने में स्केरी लगता है, करने में बहुत मजा आता है. करने में इतना मजा आता है करम, नो वन डज इट, हेंस दे डोंट नो. सी, स्केरी काम कोई क्यों करना चाहेगा? और कुछ लोग ही थोड़ा अगर स्केरी भी है तो स्केरी काम करके ही तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. देखो, कंफर्ट तो बहुत है ना लाइफ में. सुबह 9 बजे आराम से उठो, मोबाइल चेक करो 1-1.5 घंटा, ठीक है. देन यू थिंक कि आज क्या खाना है. ब्रेकफास्ट में बर्गर खा लेते हैं, पराठा खा लेते हैं. देन आराम से नहाओ, ब्रश करो, धीरे धीरे 12 बज गए, फिर सोचो कौन सी बुक पढ़नी है. ऐसे जीते हैं लोग लाइफ स्टाइल. ठीक है, नाउ ये बड़ा मेरे को तो ये स्कैरी लगता है व्हेन आई थिंक अबाउट इट.
No, okay.
When I start my day at 6, यार, I am in energy throughout the day. Why? Because I steal my energy from other people and I transfer my energy to the other people. अब आप मुझसे बात करोगे, I'm sure आप थकान फील नहीं कर रहे होगे.
Right, definitely. I'm really excited and going.
और ये एनर्जी कहाँ से आ रही है? मेरे को ये एनर्जी आपकी स्माइल से आ रही है अभी.
Okay.
So I steal my energy from other people, and जो मेरे पास आ जाती है मैं ट्रांसफर कर देता हूँ. तो हमारे पास एनर्जी की कमी नहीं है. आप कभी भी देखना, whenever you don't work throughout the day, you will feel more tired. And whenever you work and that day is very productive, you will feel more fresh.
Yes. That definitely. Sometimes and many times I feel, okay, इतना काम करने के बाद भी, yeah, I can do more. That goes on. Akash, this is really awesome. That one point, you said that energy, you take energy from other people. So this is awesome, and we all can do that, right? Everyone can do that, but there are so many people who don't do it, who just think about and they procrastinate, or so many things they do. Okay, Akash, this is really awesome. I love this, and thank you for coming to my show and sharing your knowledge, wisdom that you have built in last 4-5 years. That is really awesome. And You have built so like multiple businesses. I would say multiple businesses, and this is really awesome.
Thank you, man.
Okay, okay.